Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a fairly simple video. We're going to do a video on replacing your F-Car's microfilter. Very minimal tools you need to do this job. I am going to be using a power drill, a Torx 20, and also I use a set of needle nose pliers to make it easier to pull these microfilters out of their location. So we're gonna go up to the passenger side compartment and start from there. Okay, so I've got the seat moved all the way back. We're gonna pull out these mats just to make it a little easier here, give us some more space. So basically, fairly simple. We're going to be removing a panel right underneath here. There's a Torx screw located right here, another Torx screw located right here, and a third one located right here. So we're gonna have to take down this upper panel first, the two Torx that are right here, and then we're gonna be removing this one and pulling the panel off. So I'm gonna remove these two right quick and go from there. All right, there's one. Number two. And then this panel has a couple little retaining clips right here and right here. And then you're going to remove this connector and pull this off to the side. Next, we're going to be removing this T20. That's number three. The two with the washers are for the upper panel. The one without the washer and just the head is for the side panel. So now we're gonna pull this panel off. Just grab it here. A good little yank. Has retaining clip here, here, and then also these two slide into position when you reinstall it right here and right here.
Crypto, you need to check out Coinbase.
This connector, you depress the top of it and just kind of pull back on it. Comes right out. Put this off to the side. The microfilters are located right in here. There's a clip. Pull it back, open the door, and we're going to use our needle nose pliers to pull these out. All right, so top one first. Just grab by the corner, pull her out of there. Second one, I like to grab it by this little flap here, pull up and out. A little dusty, as you can see. A little dirty. Car's got 13,000 miles on it almost now, so about time to replace them. So now we're gonna put the new ones in. Okay, so the new ones indicate the direction. So airflow is gonna be, the air is gonna go towards the rear of the vehicle. This flap is towards the front of the vehicle, and it's gonna go in the same way that they came out. So we're going to open this door. I can open it. There we go. A little difficult doing it one hand, but push her in there, and this first one you kind of gotta slide down. So push that one all the way down. The second one, same way, airflow towards the rear of the vehicle. I have to crush these, get them nice and flat in there. Boom. As you can see, they're both in there facing the proper direction. We're going to clip that back on there. There we go. And now we're going to reinstall this connector. If I can get it in here. Like that. All right, so now we're going to put these two tabs in place here in the back. Position this where the tabs go, and we're going to give it a good push.
If you want to get into crypto, you need to check out Coinbase.
Now installed. All right, so next we're going to reinstall this Torx screw. All right, now we're going to reconnect the first connector to the bottom of that, or the top side of that first panel. All right, connected. And this also has two little places for these little tabs to go right in there. And then you just need to line up these locators up front with their proper positions and reinstall the two screws right there and right there. And that is it. So, old microfilters. Here's the part number if anybody needs it. Two tools. Need one of those pliers. And you don't need a power drill, but a T20. And it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.